Okay, fifth graders, so for our radial printmaking, we're gonna start today by just drawing what you're gonna be printing. So I have two examples here. I want you to choose either like a fall theme, and maybe that means Halloween for you too, or it could just be fall, or you could also do like a back to school theme. Basically, you're just going to fill up this small 4x4 white square with your design, but I want you to keep it really super simple. Like, I'm actually worried that this might be, specifically these scissors, might be too detailed. You want your lines to be very clear and not too close together. So no tiny details. It should be a pretty simple drawing, but it's up to you what you draw. Again, I would suggest maybe like a fall or a back to school theme since it is our first project of the school year, but it's up to you as long as it stays simple. Once you have your drawing done, you are just going to choose. So when we print this, it's going to say I'm using this one, which I probably would, because like I said, I'm a little bit worried that this one is too detailed. So if I'm using this one, when I'm printing it, it's going to end up being rotated. So on the opposite side of your drawing, you are going to choose one corner to put an arrow in, and this arrow will be pointing to the center of your paper every time you print with it. So it'll make more sense when we start printing, but basically whatever corner you want to always be in the middle of your paper, you're gonna put an arrow on the back side of that, because we'll basically be putting it like face down and then printing it, and you wanna be able to remember without seeing your design which corner you want in the middle. So then when I print it again, it would be like this, and like that. Again, it will make more sense when we actually start our printmaking, but for today, you just need a nice, simple design on your paper and an arrow on the back, and also your name, which I don't have on mine, but yours needs to say your name with the arrow on the back.